So today I will share how to insert an island inside a coffee cup in Canva using the photo manipulation effect. So let's start with it. So here I will write first coffee cup and I will go to photos, click on see all, and you can choose any type of coffee cup you want, but I will choose this one. Okay, and let's make it bigger and let's bring it down here, and after that here I will search for minimalist frame and I will change from photos to frames. Click on see all again and I will choose this oval type of frame which says modern simple minimalist frame. Okay, and I will use it here, but before that I will just zoom the picture and I will mark the edges with this ruler. So if you don't have the rulers here, just press shift plus R in the keyboard to activate the rulers. Okay, and after that press another end here. Okay, and after that bring the frame and adjust the size and decrease the transparency a bit so that you can adjust according to the cup. Okay, let's make it bigger and slightly below. Okay, so now it is covered as you can see, and after that I will just write in here island and I will change it to photos again and click on see all. And I will use this island. Okay, and I will just insert it inside the frame. So after inserting it, let's move it above so that I can create a pop-out effect. Okay, and just increase the transparency of the frame, and after that bring it again here and just resize it, and after that click on BG remover. But as you can see, the BG remover removed everything except this houses, so I want to keep the island part. So for that I will click on BG remover twice to activate the pixel eraser panel where you can just restore the image also. So I will just restore this part where the island is present. Okay, and I will erase the parts where the sea is getting shown. Now click on done. So the island is here. So now hold on control button here so that you can just use it. Okay, and just adjust it and crop the house part. Okay, and your island is popping out as you can see. Now let's do the next part of this cracking underwater part, and for that I will just write here simple Santa Claus, and this time I will go to frames again and use this first one. Okay, and I will just adjust it according to our requirement and I will just rotate it here, make it smaller, and I will just keep it here. Okay, and I will just write here underwater. and I will go to photos and click on see all and choose a suitable underwater scene. I am using this one. Okay, hold on this and just rotate the image to 0 degrees and make its size smaller. Okay, like this, click on done. Okay, and after that just duplicate it and keep it here. Now come to color here and click on this color panel, click on gradient and use this gradient, just make it darker and use it here. Okay, and after that just bring it here, slightly move to the left of the main part and slightly down. Okay, and right click it, go to layer, click on show layers, and after that bring this one just under the island layer and this one just below this underground layer, so that it creates a cracked effect. And for that I will just use a darker shade. Now next I will click on this layer, click on layer, show layers, and after that here I will select this one, click on duplicate, and this time I will just change the angle and just double click it and here. Okay, so now you bring it here and adjust it accordingly. Use the arrow keys in the keyboard to adjust it. And after that right click it, show layers, and move it just below the layer. So as you can see, the effect is created, but we have to make some simple adjustments here because it is not showing here. So I will just bring it down, and also here to make it more prominent I will just move the layers a little bit. So now it is prominent, but as you can see the layers are getting divided. So to make it look like a same layer we have to apply a element, and for that I will go to elements again and here write wave cutout. And now I will just use this wave cutout layer and I will just make it smaller according to the requirement, and I will just hold on to control so that it doesn't merge with any of the frame, and after that I will just make it smaller and crop this part so that it looks more realistic, and just middle it here. Okay, so this part is ready. Now let's make the background layer possible, and for that here I will write sunset background. I will use this one and right click it, set image as background, and after that I will select all of them, press Ctrl+A and move it slightly down, and here I will write cloud. So I will use this one right here, and let's select another one. Let's select this one. Let's put it slightly down and right click it, go to layer, send to back, and after that I will write here birds flying in sky. Okay, and I will use this one, and I will click on BG remover, and after that I will just bring it here so that it looks more realistic. And now our design is ready. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you learned something out of it, and please subscribe to the channel for more amazing tutorials like this. And if you have any query regarding this tutorial, please let me know in the comments, and if you want to suggest any topic, please also let me know so that we can make similar tutorials for you available in our next tutorial.